Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a shocking and eye-opening story about the dangers of oversupplementation. Imagine thinking you're boosting your health, only to find out that you're actually causing severe harm to your body. This is the true story of Emily, a health-conscious woman who unintentionally destroyed her kidneys in just 2 months by taking excessive amounts of vitamin C. Emily was a 50-year-old fitness enthusiast who firmly believed in the power of vitamins to keep her healthy and vibrant. She had always heard about the amazing benefits of vitamin C, including its ability to boost the immune system, fight off colds, and act as a powerful antioxidant. Motivated by these claims, Emily decided to incorporate vitamin C supplements into her daily routine. Initially, Emily took the recommended dose, but after reading more about the benefits, she thought, why not take more to get even better results? She started taking mega doses of vitamin C, convinced that she was doing something great for her health. She believed that since vitamin C is water-soluble, any excess would simply be flushed out of her system. However, within a few weeks, Emily started to notice some unusual symptoms. She experienced severe abdominal pain and frequent urination, which she attributed to a possible urinary tract infection. Ignoring these signs, she continued with her high-dose vitamin C regimen, thinking it would help her body fight off any infection. As the weeks went by, Emily's symptoms worsened. She began to feel extreme fatigue and noticed blood in her urine. Realizing that something was seriously wrong, she rushed to the hospital. After a series of tests, the doctors delivered shocking news: Emily's kidneys were severely damaged. The excessive vitamin C intake had led to the formation of oxalate crystals, which had accumulated and caused kidney stones, ultimately leading to acute kidney failure. Emily was devastated. The very supplements she believed were enhancing her health had caused this life-threatening situation. She had to undergo immediate treatment, including dialysis, to manage her kidney failure. The doctors informed her that the damage might be irreversible and that she would need ongoing medical care. Determined to prevent others from making the same mistake, Emily decided to share her story. She wanted to raise awareness about the potential dangers of oversupplementation and the importance of following medical advice when taking vitamins. Her story serves as a powerful reminder that more is not always better, and that even something as beneficial as vitamin C can become harmful if taken in excess. From Emily's story, today, we'll dive into 5 vitamins that carry risks not widely known. Some of these can be harmful if taken in incorrect forms or dosages, while others pose a risk to individuals with kidney conditions. It's crucial to approach these vitamins with care. We'll start with the least dangerous and move to those with increasingly severe risk. Coming in at number 5 is vitamin D, a vital nutrient for kidney health, which might sound familiar as I've emphasized its importance repeatedly. Vitamin D is crucial for maintaining bone health, supporting the immune system, and promoting overall well-being. This fat-soluble vitamin helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, minerals that are vital for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D can be obtained through sun exposure, food sources like fatty fish and fortified dairy products, and supplements. While it is essential for preventing diseases such as rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults, excessive intake of vitamin D can lead to serious health problems. One of the primary risks of high vitamin D levels is hypercalcemia, a condition characterized by elevated calcium levels in the blood. Hypercalcemia can cause a range of symptoms, including nausea, vomiting, frequent urination, and kidney stones. Over time, excessive calcium can deposit in the kidneys, leading to nephrocalcinosis, a condition that can cause permanent kidney damage and impair kidney function. In addition to its impact on the kidneys, hypercalcemia can also affect the cardiovascular system, leading to calcification of the arteries and heart valves, which increases the risk of heart disease. It can also cause severe gastrointestinal issues, such as constipation and abdominal pain, and neurological symptoms like confusion and lethargy. The body carefully regulates vitamin D levels through a balance of dietary intake, sun exposure, and metabolic processes. However, oversupplementation disrupts this balance, leading to toxic levels in the bloodstream. Therefore, it is crucial to adhere to recommended dosages and consult healthcare professionals before taking vitamin D supplements, especially in high doses. To avoid these risks, it's recommended to consume vitamin D in moderation. The ideal dosage is typically about 2,000 IU per day combined with 100 mg of vitamin K2 and magnesium to prevent arterial calcification. This regimen helps maintain vitamin D levels safely. Sharing this information could be crucial for anyone with chronic kidney disease. Number 4 on our list of concerns is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It is essential for protein metabolism, cognitive development, and the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and sleep. Additionally, vitamin B6 is vital for the formation of red blood cells and the maintenance of healthy immune and nervous systems. Despite its importance, excessive intake of vitamin B6 can lead to adverse health effects. While the body excretes excess amounts of water-soluble vitamins like B6 through urine, prolonged consumption of high doses can accumulate and cause toxicity. One of the most serious consequences of vitamin B6 toxicity is nerve damage, which can result in sensory neuropathy. Symptoms of this condition include tingling, numbness, and pain in the hands and feet, and in severe cases, it can lead to difficulty walking and coordination problems. High levels of vitamin B6 can also disrupt sleep patterns and cause gastrointestinal issues such as nausea and heartburn. Chronic overdose can impair nerve function, leading to a condition known as peripheral neuropathy. This condition manifests as burning, shooting pain, and loss of reflexes and motor control, significantly affecting an individual's quality of life. To avoid these risks, it is essential to adhere to the recommended dietary allowances, RDA, for vitamin B6, which vary based on age, sex, and life stage. For most adults, the RDA is 1.3 to 2.0 milligrams per day. Vitamin B6 can be obtained from various food sources, including poultry, fish, potatoes, chickpeas, bananas, and fortified cereals. Supplements should only be taken under the guidance of a healthcare professional to prevent the risk of toxicity. Number 3 is vitamin E. Vitamin E can be found in a variety of foods, including nuts, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils. It exists in several forms, but alpha-tocopherol is the most biologically active and widely recognized. While obtaining vitamin E from dietary sources is generally safe and beneficial, excessive intake through supplements can pose significant health risks. One of the primary concerns with high doses of vitamin E supplements is an increased risk of bleeding. Vitamin E acts as an anticoagulant, which means it can inhibit blood clotting. While this can be beneficial in preventing blood clots, excessive anticoagulation can lead to hemorrhagic stroke and other bleeding complications, especially in individuals taking blood-thinning medications or those with bleeding disorders. In addition to bleeding risks, excessive vitamin E intake has been associated with an increased risk of certain types of cancer and heart failure in specific populations. High doses may interfere with the absorption and metabolism of other essential fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin K, exacerbating potential health issues. Vitamin number 2, vitamin A secures the second spot on our list for its potential dangers, surpassing even synthetic vitamin E. This essential nutrient, usually beneficial, poses significant risks when ingested in high quantities, especially for individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. For those with compromised kidney function, regular multivitamins that include vitamin A are not advisable. Common brands like Centrum, Smarty Pants, or Suina, popular in Europe, are examples of products that might be harmful under these conditions. The problem arises because damaged kidneys cannot effectively filter and eliminate excess vitamin A from the body. This can lead to a buildup of the vitamin, turning it toxic and causing severe health issues, including liver damage, birth defects, and accelerated kidney deterioration. Vitamin A toxicity is most commonly linked to overconsumption of certain foods, notably vegetables, fish liver. While incidents of acute kidney injury from dietary sources are rare, they underscore the need for caution. Overindulgence in foods high in vitamin A such as certain fish livers can lead to hospitalization due to acute kidney injury. Because vitamin A can accumulate in the body, it is crucial for those with kidney impairments to manage their intake carefully to prevent toxicity and further kidney damage. And thus, while vitamin A is essential for health, its intake needs to be carefully monitored, especially in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions to avoid compounding their health issues. Now taking the number 1 spot on our list is vitamin C. Emily's story highlights the potential dangers of excessive vitamin C intake, particularly its harmful effects on kidney health. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is an essential nutrient that supports numerous bodily functions, including the immune system, collagen synthesis, and antioxidant protection. It is commonly found in fruits and vegetables such as oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. While moderate consumption of vitamin C is beneficial and necessary for health, excessive intake can lead to serious complications. The body metabolizes vitamin C into oxalate, a compound that, when present in high concentrations, can combine with calcium to form kidney stones. These stones can obstruct the urinary tract, causing severe pain, urinary issues, and potential kidney damage. In Emily's case, her excessive consumption of vitamin C supplements led to the rapid formation of oxalate crystals in her kidneys. This accumulation resulted in the development of kidney stones, which caused acute kidney failure, necessitating immediate medical intervention. Hyperoxaluria, a condition characterized by high levels of oxalate in the urine, is a direct consequence of consuming too much vitamin C. Symptoms of this condition include severe abdominal pain, blood in the urine, and frequent urination, all of which Emily experienced. Chronic hyperoxaluria can lead to persistent kidney stones and long-term kidney damage, highlighting the critical need to adhere to recommended vitamin C dosages. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for vitamin C for most adults is 75 to 90 milligrams, with an upper intake level of 2,000 milligrams per day to avoid adverse effects. Emily's story underscores the importance of not exceeding this upper limit without medical supervision. While vitamin C is water-soluble and excess amounts are generally excreted in the urine, the body's capacity to handle large doses is limited, and surpassing this threshold can lead to toxic accumulation. Emily's experience serves as a stark reminder of the potential risks associated with oversupplementation. It emphasizes the need for caution and professional guidance when considering vitamin supplements. By understanding the balance required for vitamin C intake, individuals can harness its health benefits while avoiding the serious risks of kidney damage and other complications. In conclusion, while vitamin C is vital for health, moderation is key. Excessive intake can lead to the formation of kidney stones and severe kidney damage, as seen in Emily's case. Emily's story underscores a vital health message. While supplements can be beneficial, they must be taken with caution and in appropriate amounts. Overlooking the potential risks can lead to severe, sometimes irreversible health consequences. Her experience serves as a stark reminder that more is not always better and that the pursuit of health should be guided by informed decisions and professional advice. If you're considering adding supplements to your routine, please consult with a healthcare professional first. Don't let a quest for better health lead to unintended consequences. Remember Emily's story: stay informed and stay safe. If you found this story helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening health stories and advice. Stay healthy, everyone!